And that's why right there. That's why. That's why. Tell him I'm gonna call him back. Pivot turn, baby. Oh, I like it. Picked up the new Gas EX250. It was time for a upgrade, I guess. She's so pretty. Ooh. About to test out the new gas at North Gardens. Yeah, I'm excited. 250. I've been on a 354 stroke, a 300 Husky, and then now I'm trying the 250 gas. So let's see what's good out here. New bike, new helmet. Same crusty gloves. Gotta get some new gloves. Yes, oh, yes. I don't have big enough nuts yet. That's a big jump. Woo-hoo! Almost myself. I forget these two strokes carry funny off of jumps. Oh, not ready yet, not ready yet. Let me clean up my last shit stain. Oh. All right, so my first little couple laps, the handling is insane. I feel like you can just lean this thing all the way over. It just doesn't go anywhere. It just stays so like balanced and planted. Also, the bars are wider and lower, so that might play a role in it. Fresh tires also probably help. The power though is just so smooth. Coming from a 300, it comes on very different. But the biggest notice is the weight. It feels really light. The handling is just insane. I need to stop being such a... Insert whatever word you like right there. The brakes, obviously brand new. This is the EX, so it's got the race setup, different gear ratio. The TX that I was riding before this also had that race gearbox, so a little bit higher. And I gotta say, I don't know I can hit this one. I don't know when I would need a lower gear or lower revs in the gear. This thing come along just fine. Where's some woods? Let me ride some woods. Uh-oh, Brian, I'm coming. I'm coming. Whoa. Yeah, this thing, power comes on way quicker. quicker than 300. Way, and I'm surprised by that. I picked this up from one cycle and they installed me a heavier spring. I ain't like these bits on that, you know, I gotta get that heavy suspension. Where's Aaron? Let me do one more. This thing is confident and fiery. Hand got stuck on the throttle. Oh shit! Hand got stuck on the throttle. Not what I want. Yeah, I still haven't gotten my nuts back after that first jump. So what? I'm a woods guy. Ah! Chickened out again. I was even pinning it too already. Okay, so how was the 250 in the woods? Let's go find out. It's sick for motocross. Facts, facts, big facts, super facts, and wide open stuff. Feels super light. I gotta be careful though. I got no protection. I'm raw dogging it. Raw dogging the gas EX 300 or 250. Raw dogging it. Raw dogging it. Extremely light feeling. So Aaron's the trail boss today on my raw dog break-in. So compared to a 300, the 2020 CX 300, so same gearing, also Air Force, also the race bike, race edition, whatever you want to call it. Come on, Aaron, pick the hot line. Woo! I'll say minor suspension differences because I used to run 167 pressure on those Air Force. I just put in 150 so I could get on the bike. So So minor suspension, handling, pretty noticeable, honestly. I'm sure it's a lot of factors. I'm sure there are lots of factors, but the handling on this is just so smooth. It feels like you can just toss it wherever you want. But I rode John's XCF, the race bike KTM 350. Forgive me for not knowing. I'm a husky gas gas type of guy. What can I say? Noob. And his 2020 350 also felt extremely light in the handlebars. This does too, but the engine on this also feels super light. Let me stop. I don't have a skid plate. Let me stop with no skid plate. I'm sure it'll be all right, but why jack up your brand new bike? Why jack up the brand new bike? Whoa, rocks. Okay, be aware of rocks while you're raw dogging. Whoa, she's loose in here. I will say 250 to 300. The power comes alive faster on a 250. Don't at me. In every experience I've had riding both, the power comes alive way faster on a 250. And maybe that's what is supposed to happen. Maybe that's not news to anybody. Maybe that's not news to anybody. It's news to me. In my experiences, I thought 350s were like the way to go for the type of riding that I and probably all y'all watching do. You probably watch, if you're watching, you're a woods racer, probably in Virginia. You're probably not a motocross guy, unless you like watching guys punk out of small jumps. And if that's the case, welcome to the channel. You know, Enduro Doug, you know how we do.
How you liking it so far?
Man, it's insane. I love it. Take a second to enjoy the beauty out here. How lovely. Bushy wacky. The brakes. Oh my God, the brakes. I mean, my TX I put through hell. Let's keep it real. When you race, you put your bike through absolute hell. Oh, hey. Oh, hello. You put your bike through hell. But yeah, your brakes get worn up, beat down, and some of it's brake pads, yeah. Some of it though. Yeah, some of it's just a brand new bikes, and I know that a lot of people have asked about gas and talked to and their experience with gas. they love the brakes. And so they had, I thought this actually had brake techs on it until I was in the dealership. And they said, no, the race ones still have the Brimbos. So I thought they had gone away from the Brimbos. And I know they were going away from the Maguras, which were on my, on the TX, which is a 2020, just for reference. And yeah, they got the Brimbos on this, and this thing is stop on a dime. I'm doing stoppies like it ain't nothing. I'm doing stoppies like it ain't nothing. Like it was nothing. Okay, so 250 versus 300. Right there, the 300 will be whoa, 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 and then it will get into power. This, it just gets into power. You don't have to lug, you don't have to wait for it, you don't gotta hit with the clutch. You just press that jump and it rolls. That's the type of riding I like. When I say go, we go. First stall on a pivot turn this late in the day, I'll take that 100%. Ooh. Lots of briars. Lots of briars. Lots of briars. Lots of trees down. Wow. Ooh, almost at my first drop. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Yeah, he wasn't lying.
Ouch! It's a rite of passage for a brand new bike. You gotta make it how we ride without all the stuff on it. Cool. Totally cool. This place is sweet. I've never been here before. And this thing is just eating it. It just eats it. It just eats it. I've got like 20 PSI in my pressure in my tires and everything. It doesn't even matter. I mean, can't go wrong with KTM Gas or Husky. We're all the same family. Oh, he want to hit that jump. All right, hit it there. Hit it there. Second stall. like to get creative with my lines, and I don't like doing all these big rocks. I got this fresh, brand new chrome, what's it called? Exhaust pipe, man. I don't want to put no dings in it yet. Here, look. Why I want to mess that up? Shit. Uh-oh, Bendix already? Okay, don't like that. So when you add I don't know about on the dyno or something like that. When you add like the feel and all that to this bike, this is by far the fastest bike I've ridden. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. You're just gonna do so good to me, aren't you? You're just gonna be so good to me. She's so pretty, God damn, look at her. Baby, what your name is? You tight fine. You come here often? I'm gonna have to get a strap or something. Ain't no place to grab on this bad boy. I'm gonna have to get the strap. Man, that's sharp than mud. So this easy braking ride has turned into a full hard enduro, and I love it. I love it. Got snow on the side of the mountain, got rocks, got logs, got sharp ass sticks stabbing Aaron in the ass. Ground softer than baby shit. You see the line, right? I see a nice old line. Oh, I was moving too. Just tuning in, this is the Gas 250 EX break-in ride. I shouldn't say break-in. Bussit ride. The Bussit ride. I left the dealership. Shout out to Wayne Cycle. Shout out to Wayne Cycle. Left the dealership with my gear, came straight here. Came straight here. I said, oh, it's gonna snow tomorrow? That means I got a ride today. Hi, yes, assistant. Clear my schedule. Hey, girl, you have to meeting with the president. Yeah, definitely cancel that. President of Gas. Tell him I'm gonna call him back. I got a ride, honey. And that's why. That's why right there. That's why. That's why. Tell him I'm gonna call him back. Ooh. Ooh. Yo.
man, they was kind of eating that shit.
Mm-hmm.
It was doing a lot of the work for me. It's gonna be cool to see your video following the beta, you know?
Yeah.
Hearing your bike, but seeing my bike.
Bow. Bow. Look at that fresh pipe. All shiny. Ain't got no dents. Woo. Oh, let's take that in one more time. Let's take that in one more time. Good gracious. Man, what a blessing. Get to come out here and experience this. Wow. You know what I'm gonna say. Living that blessing, baby. Living the blessing. I think Aaron went this way. Yeah, leaves look turned up. Yeah, I see him. Very grateful to be able to get a bike, to ride it, to have friends to ride it with, have food to eat, have shelter. Thank you for it all. Get to experience what I just experienced. Man, that stuff is gorgeous. Wow. It's about the little things. The little things and the simple things. It's all about the simple and the little. And the brakes. And I'm thankful for brakes. I guess we keep winding down. Oh no, he's up. I almost messed myself up. Dirt bike reverse. See, the new gas gaskets have reverse. Gas 250. The everything bike. Look at it, just munching. It just munches. It just munches. It just munches. Munch, 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 munch. Munchy, munchy, munchy. I'm on top of another mountain. Yo, this is next level. For the braking ride? For the braking ride? It only gets better from here. Only gets better from here. Look, I'm gonna give y'all a little loop. I'm gonna give you a little loop. Wow. Y'all see everything in the distance? Next level.
Outside, that way is sick.
We begin our descent. Okay, so early criticisms. The starter. I already feel like the Bendix is starting blowing already. I think it's the Bendix. The Bendix or the bushing. One of them bees. I tried to start it twice and it gives me the vroom, 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 where the thing just spins. And I've only experienced that. Oh, I've only had two strokes, but on my TX did that also. I actually have a backup Bendix and bushing. I need to know which one that is before I start talking about parts, because y'all parts dudes gonna be on me. That's my only criticism. I didn't know how I felt about the red, but you know, feeling that root chakra. Root chakra color's red, so ain't that bad. I like the root chakra. Get your power from there. It's like a big oasis. of your life force energy. You retain that, that mess can be powerful. Yeah, that's my only thing I have to say so far. Is the starter. The power comes on incredibly. I mean, immaculately. It's extremely balanced, extremely well balanced. Brakes, incredible. Of course, talked a lot about the brakes today, but the older I get, the more I'm like, you know what? That all gas, no brakes mentality is for the young. I gotta go to work on Monday, you know what I'm saying? I gotta pay for this bike. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can't just full send everything. Shit, who I'm lying to? Yes, you can. I always like a stock AT81. That always a good tire. Some people like the, oh no, baby. Oh no, get your ass up out of here. Get your ass, you ain't welcome. Now I'm hung up in here. See, the trees just want to hang with Brother Nature. The trees just want to hang with Brother Nature. Look, trees, I get it. I get it, baby, but let's have a little separation sometimes, you know? Yeah, let me take a dump in peace or something. Yeah, I mean, this thing is just like, it's just a monster. It's just a monster. Like, I don't know if the GoPro really captured that, but I'm coming up a hill. There's rocks, there's leaves, there's roots. There's very limited traction. I'm popping wheelies to get over. Whoa, hey, take it easy. Stick, not the pipe. We've been over this. Gotta keep the fresh chrome pipe. Hey, it doesn't mean hit my knees. Ungrateful. Ungrateful. Convert my whole Instagram page to admiring the beauty of nature, and that's how you treat me? You throw sticks at me? Sticks and stones can break my bones, but please don't bend, please don't dent this pipe. Please don't dent the pipe. Just don't dent the pipe. Don't break my bones either, please. Definitely do not break my bones. Ooh. Okay, that looks fun. That looks fun. Okay, so that was, I was experiencing a lot of that on the 300, you know? This review is getting quite long, but oh, all my videos are long. It's like a movie, because my life is a movie. So why would I not make, Enduro Doug coming soon to a theater near you. The only other criticism, wow, it's like, what, 7 minutes late, whatever. The only other criticism I'll give about this bike is that, I don't know how to jump it. But that's not the bike's fault. That's on me, baby. That's on me. Because I'm too scared. I prefer to zing through the woods than zing through the air. MX is super cool though. Definitely makes for cooler videos. But woods races though? Where my woods races at? We go the hardest, everybody know that. Woods races go the hardest, that's a fact. Woods races go the hardest. Don't believe me? Race us. I don't want to do that. Pivot turn, baby. Oh, I like it. Body is so bad. Oh. Yes, sir. Just taking a second to admire the beauty. Makes me a little... I'm careful with my line choices, but I'm really out here. I'm really out here raw dogging the fresh bike. And oh, it goes! Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ah! No handguards means my fingers are punching little trees. I mean, there's a lot of factors here. There's a lot of factors. I'm currently doing my best riding. I had a warm-up day yesterday. Rode the 300 and had an absolutely fantastic time shredding that. Fantastic time. How do you not have a good time on a bike? How do you not have a good time on a bike? Let's make this a little more interesting. Yeah. Oh, it's already aligned. No wonder it looks so good. Whoa. So I was gonna get some bar risers. My last bike I had bar risers. Honestly, both bikes I've raced on, the FE350 and 300, I had bar risers and cut bars. I'm gonna cut the bars because the Virginia series loves some tight stuff. And them 3/4 of an inch on each side, they make a noticeable difference. They make a noticeable difference. I feel really wide, but as I'm trying to get better technique, I don't know how wide the GoPro angle is, have my elbows up. I'm a big dude with a long wingspan, bigger. I am pretty big though. I got a long wingspan, and having these wide bars definitely helps me keep my elbows up more. Got this weird stress on my shoulder. Like I don't know if y'all have that like weird stress on your shoulder when you try to ride with your elbows up. But anyway, I kind of like it. Maybe for my GNCCs, I'll swap bars. If I was really committed, I'd swap bars. Have the wide bars for GNCCs. Have the narrow just for Virginia. gonna say I'm not that committed, but that seems like a lot of work. How do I want to do this? Wow, this is a great trip. I made a short trip back to the old crib. I got to meet up with John and do a ride at his spot. And now I'm out here with Aaron doing a ride at his spot. When I say their spots, I mean their preferred places to ride. John likes River's Edge. River's Edge is sweet. Had some races there. Oh. Good Lord, it was slick though. Those hill climbs were beastly. Ah! Hey man, don't roost the first bike. Getting to break in a new helmet. I got a new helmet this year. My hair's getting longer, so it's making my helmet sit a little funny, but I think once it gets a little broken in, it'll be alright. Yeah, man. 250 is the way to go. And I've seen some reviews online for the EC 250, but not many, and zero for the EX 250. So maybe I can make this thing pop. Y'all help me get this thing popping. I'm trying to take Enduro Doug National, you feel me? I visualize it. I see it. It's already been written. We're gonna pop. We're gonna pop. Get the elbows up. Yeah! Yeah! No, thank you. Whoops. No whoops right now. Nice. Oh yeah, baby. I gotta hit second on that. This is actually very doable.